Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to, maybe we don't even have to scroll down, just find the display option. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find the sleep. So let's enter, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got some kind of short options, just like 15 or 30 seconds, or longer ones like 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What's more, we can set never, which simply means that your device will never black out. Currently we've got this 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will pick 10 minutes. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.